My teaching strategy I chose is called hands-on learning. What is hands-on learning? Hands-on learning is a form of education where children learn by doing the task instead of getting lectured by the teacher. Pros of hands-on learning. It is fun and engaging. For example, instead of teaching the alphabet with flashcards, you can use it by making letters out of Play-Doh or sand. It allows real experiences such as letting them help you do a task such as washing the dishes or learning how to do the laundry. Usually when you just tell a kid to do something, it doesn't. It goes through one ear and out the other. It builds fine motor skills. Any activity that involves the hands, such as cutting or sticking or sorting or molding, helps the fine precision that is needed for real-world tasks for when they get older. When they learn how to tie their shoes or write with a pencil, etc. Some downsides of hands-on learning include some things just can't be taught with hands-on learning. For example, like complex algebra, and I always think of pre-calc from when I was in high school. The best way to teach those kind of things is lecture-based, where they are writing it down in front of you and do step by step. Now, when it comes to early on math, like I talked about, the cubes like this little girl has, she's using those are more hands-on. But when it comes to complex algebra, like using X and Y and B and all that stuff, it's harder to have the hands-on concept. Examples of hands-on learning, they can really be used in any subject. But when I think of hands-on learning, I usually think about math and science and even English, because I remember when we were younger, we would read a book and we'd use hands-on learning with that. For example, in math class, if they're learning about time, they can make a clock from paper plate and use those little brass fasteners and 2 strips of papers to make the arrows for all the times. And then the students can decorate their own clock face to come up with fun and creative ideas to make learning time fun. And they can even keep it. I remember doing this in elementary school. Actually, we would keep it on our desks and we could go around and do it our own selves. And it was just really fun. And these are my 4 references I used. Thank you.